everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which are some waffles. They're easy to make and really delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need a bowl, 2 eggs and 40 grams of sugar. Then mix it. You can do it with a fork or a mixer. When it's all done, add 250 grams of cottage cheese. Then add 20 grams of melted butter and a bit of lemon zest. You can also make it without it. Then mix it again. In another bowl, add 80 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add a bit of salt and the flour mixture and mix it again. In your waffle maker, add some oil. And now let's prepare the waffles. I'm putting a bit, but not too much, like a tablespoon, on each form. For about 3 or 4 minutes. When it's all done, you can plate them. And with all of that ingredients, I got 8 waffles. They smell amazing and taste even better. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.